What is this?
Ampersand.
What is this?
Percent.
What is this?
Equal.
What is this?
Plus.
What is this?
Minus.
What is this?
Multiplication.
What is this?
Division.
What is this?
Dot.
What is this?
Slash.
What is this?
Backslash.
What is this?
Semicolon.
What is this?
Quotation mark.
What is this?
Question mark.
What is this?
Parentheses.
What is this?
At.
What is this?
Dollar sign.
What is this?
Hyphen.
What is this?
Exclamation mark.
What is this?
Ellipsis.
What is this?
Colon.
What is this?
Square brackets.
What is this?
Curly brackets.
What is this?
Apostrophe.
What is this?
Comma.
What is this?
Greater than.
What is this?
Less than.
What is this?
Dash.
What is this?
Hashtag.
What is this?
Underscore.
What is this?
Bar.
What is this?
Copyright.
What is this?
Bullet.
What is this?
Angle brackets.
What is this?
Asterisk.
What is this?
Circumflex.
What is this?
Diameter.
What is this?
Estimated.
What is this?
Inverted exclamation mark.
What is this?
Inverted question mark.
What is this?
Pilcrow.
What is this?
Registered trademark.
What is this?
Silkrow.
What is this?
Trademark symbol.
What is this?
Pi.
What is this?
Therefore sign.
What is this?
Per mil.
What is this?
Check mark.
What is this?
Euro symbol.
What is this?
Parallel.
What is this?
Pound symbol.
What is this?
Yen symbol.
What is this?
Cent.
What is this?
Almost equal.
What is this?
Female gender.
What is this?
Male gender.
What is this?
Sigma.
What is this?
Not equal.
What is this?
Square root.
What is this?
Cube root.
What is this?
Omega.
What is this?
Integral.
What is this?
Infinity.
What is this?
Approximately equal.
What is this?
Alpha.
What is this?
Beta.
What is this?
Empty set.